Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to screen record with sound on the iPhone 17 Pro, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Basically, from any part of the screen of your iPhone 17 Pro, you just want to swipe down from the right hand side to open up the control center. So just swipe like so, and basically this is our control center. But as you can see, we do not have the screen recording icon or feature from the control center. And in order for us to add it, you want to press on the plus icon at the top right corner over here. And now our control center is on edit mode. What you want to do is to tap on the add a control at the bottom over here. And from the list of inactive functions or features, you're going to see the screen recording feature. So go ahead and tap on that to add it to the list of active icons or features on the control center. Now it has been added, so you can tap on any part of the screen to exit the edit mode. Now what you want to do in order for you to screen record is to just tap on the screen recording icon. But if you want to screen record with sound or audio, you just want to long press on that screen recording icon, and at the bottom you can see we have the microphone feature. So you can actually just turn on microphone from over here so that it can capture the sound and audio around you. If you do not want that, you can actually disable it, but in my case I'll just go ahead and turn it on. And once it is turned on, you can now start recording by tapping on the start recording feature over here. Now your iPhone 17 Pro will just give you a countdown and the screen recording feature will just automatically start. Once you're done screen recording, you can just tap on this red icon at the top over here, then just tap on the stop recording. Now the recording has stopped. You can actually just open it up and you can literally see our recording over here, and it actually comes with the audio that is currently being made, so you can also hear the audio as well. Also, from the Photos app on your iPhone, you should be able to find all of your video recordings available for you to watch directly from over here anytime you want them. If this tutorial was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and smash that like button.